So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue. If you are facing the issue of the credentials supplied is not enough for the printer or something like that on your Windows laptop or computer. Now in order to fix that, simply open the control panel on your laptops, and here make sure that view by is set to small icons, and here you'll see this option of credential manager, or you can easily search it as well. Now here click on Windows credentials. Now click on this option of add a window credentials. Now it will ask you to type the web address. For example, write the web address of the printer itself, or you can add a certificate based credential as well. Now I will recommend you to just simply click on Windows credential, hit on add a desktop credentials. Now set a username and password. Now whenever the printer uh, tries to access the laptop, you need to enter that username and password, and that will definitely solve your problem. Or some you just need to enter it once and you don't have to do it again and again. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.